Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I am just going to be doing a simple, cute, natural hairstyle. I've seen this hairstyle in a few Snapchat videos of one of the ladies that I follow. And so my hair is freshly washed. I'm just taking them out of the twist that I put them in. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I don't roll it all the way around so that way I can protect my ends when my hair is drying in the bun. So don't know what was going on with my hand right then. But basically all I'm going to do is section off two little strips in the front of my hair, as you can see me struggling with. And yeah, you want to make sure they're as even as possible, and you want them to go down to at least the middle of your head, or before your ear or after your ear. It just depends on how long you want these to lay. Either way, both of these braids are going to lay in your bun, ponytail, whatever, however you want to do it. So I got my two sections sectioned off, or my two strips for my braids, and then I'm going to take some moisturizer. And my hair is not completely dry from the wash, but I like to go ahead and moisturize on damp hair anyway, so I'm just going to take advantage of that. Make sure you saturate your hair with moisturizer. I don't know about you guys. Oh, what I'm doing right here is when you split your hair into two, it has that like little line down the middle. So basically I just took the comb and tried to get rid of that the best way that I could. Now this part is a little sped up, so it may look like I'm being a little rough, but really I'm not. Basically just gonna brush down the sides of my hair, or swoop both sides of my hair down to a low bun. You don't necessarily have to do this. I just think it makes the hairstyle look a lot cuter, and plus I have a big forehead, so I think the swoops on the side really do take away from that. But anyway, you can just brush it straight back like into a ponytail. You don't have to swoop it on the sides. Another thing, I think I've said this before in plenty of my videos, I do not like to use gel. And I'm actually not sure why I don't like to use gel, but I'm guessing there must be a reason, or I must have had a bad experience with it. But gel is just like a no-brainer for me. I don't care if it's natural, flaxseed, whatever. I don't use gel. So my gel is basically putting my hair into the protective style and then putting my scarf around it, which you will see me do at the end. So right now I'm just putting in a low bun. I twisted it up at the end and then placed my rubber band at the end to keep that secured. I'm going to go ahead and detangle this section. Y'all, I don't know how to add music, so I'm just going to do like doo-doo-doo, doo-doo-doo, doo-doo-doo. Okay, there we go. So now I'm just showing you that I'm braiding one of the pieces. And yeah. I don't know if you guys want me to show y'all like cute little natural hairstyles that you can do. Okay, look, see, that was quick. Done. Finished. And I'm just showing you like I'm going to be wrapping it around my pigtail at the end. Oh, look at that side profile. I wonder what I look like bald, y'all. Side note. I know it's kind of like random, but I really do wonder what I look like bald. Okay, so basically I'm just doing the same thing, and I'm trying to braid it flat like I did the other one so that it'll lay flat. I don't know about you, but when I do my braids and I twist them so that it'll be more comfortable for my hands, they always seem to rise and not lay correctly. So that's basically what I am doing here. All right, now that you got your two braids, you want to go ahead and make sure that's out of the way. I'm just giving it another brush, and yeah. Okay, y'all, so this one, what I'm doing right now, the style is completely done. All you have to do is just wrap it around your ponytail or low bun or whatever, what have you. But for me, I just didn't like the way it looked. And now that I'm looking back at the video footage, it actually looked pretty well. I don't know what in my mind I was thinking. I could have just did it just like that and left it alone. But yeah, so just taking the two pigtails and, I mean not the two pigtails, the braids, and putting it into my bun. All right. Then I'm going to wrap it around, and then put the rubber band on it to secure it. I have a ton of flyaways. I was so happy that I did this. Like, I'm trying out a lot of different natural hairstyles that I'm seeing, because I mean, let's just be real here. Like, I have no intention on perming my hair or anything like that. So I'm just securing my hairstyle with a scarf, and there you go. You can take it down after. What I'm about to do is get ready for work. So anyway, I hope you liked the video. See you next time.